Brown interior in that thing, man. Hellcat, man. Finna put this Can-in filter in this thing, make this mud Whine louder, a little bit more horsepower. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all the trick. Make everything faster.
My nigga, that bitch like it's low as fuck.
Come on.
The other one is socket. Huh? The other one is socket.
You don't need nothing. You don't need nothing else.
You sure?
Yeah. I need a flashlight though. Come get your flashlight. Talk to me the right way, B. Nah, we get SRT, big supercharger.
SRT, we ride 200 on the game.
It's green. It's green.
Oh.
You better watch your hands.
Man.
What you thought it was?
I don't know, I'm trying to hit this bit whisper though. Come on with it.
Trying to hear that bit whisper?
Yes, Lord. Boy, it feel like 10 o'clock.
I know. Tell them to work on our old shit over here.
Yes, Lord.
We work on our old shit.
We ain't going to no shop.
We don't go to no shops.
And that bit juice or something?
What?
That damn filter. Look at all this red shit on the bag.
Shit, they grease that bitch real good.
That bitch better be something real good. Talking about like a freak off plane.
How you know about this?
Hold on, man. Hold on, dude. What you know about that, dude?
I don't know shit about it at all. I'm just saying, you know, they be having them crackheads on planes.
There you go.
Ooh, yeah, we gonna be sucking and pulling now.
Get that out of here. Look, if you got a charger, scat pack, anything, get that out of here.
Go ahead, throw that shit in the trash.
You don't need that. Now you get this lubricated motherfucker.
Well, I ain't such
That bit lube it. Ooh, that bit juicy.
Slap that thing on in there.
Got that thing in there.
I know that fresh air finna fly right through there.
Fit perfectly. Keep that thing in there real good. That thing in there.
Don't even need no intake no more.
Nothing like it.
I still need an intake. That JLT intake I had on that scat that I put on Yoko?
You still got it?
Fuck no, I don't know where is it now. Some nigga in BR got it. I need it back though.
You sold it, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't getting it back.
Oh, bitch, look, you gonna get it back in blood.
These screws back in. Get them screws back in. This is extra 10 horsepower right here.
Yeah, that bitch pushing 770 horsepower now.
Yep.
My mama.
7,807 horsepower. If y'all watching, subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button.
Yo, YouTube with it?
Yeah, we on YouTube with it.
Put that nigga on there.
Just got that motherfucking plate. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Stop fucking playing.
What y'all put a new intake on there?
Shit, no Can-in filter.
Oh, shit, y'all got
Air
free.
filter.
Yeah, we get freaky around
Yeah, we
shit.
just ran for tour about 7 times. You should have came. That's a big ass piece of chicken.
Shit, ain't no regular chicken, that's chicken breast, baby.
Yeah,
Get it right, shit.
like a chicken ass.
Two females that threatened us on the road.
Oh yeah, man, we got into it with it, man, and then another nigga.
Tyler all out the
She
window.
pulled up behind her. She pulled up behind her. She said, "Are you serious?"
I'm rolling down the window. I'm finna flash out. So dude said, no.
Oh, catch.
We went around and he trying to get it
Yeah,
up.
son, look, so the hose got the tripping, so we went around them. We get close to the AutoZone. We go around this truck.
Yeah.
Man, he tried to run me off the road. I'm talking about we was almost.
Yeah, we
Shit. Why you digging? Huh?
easy. In there. Bronze rims on this thing, boy. Them brass monkey wheels, man. Brown interior, man. I see them bitches over there. That maroon bitch over there, 392 bitch. Yeah.
See the cat right there. Don't record right
Fuck it. They got carbon fiber in that thing. My key shit on it down. We got the bitch everywhere. He the only one got a marrow.
Yeah.
It's supposed to whine loud for real. It's supposed to.
That's what it's supposed to. That's what they say. Let's see.
I gotta let that bitch break in or some shit. Get your hands dirty.
That bitch gonna pull him out now.
I got the same filter in my car. Yeah, it's whine louder. Yeah, it be whine louder for sure.
That bitch need a muffler to leave.
Shit, y'all. Hey, that's what I was finna say earlier. That bitch do need a muffler to leave.
Oh no, man. How you spin this clean ass? There we go. We in there now.
This how we stand right here. Yeah, get that money, dude. Get that money, dude.
Man, tap in, bro.
Tap in, nigga.
You wanna ride like this?
Wanna ride like this? Tap in.
That nigga 200 working. Yeah, that machine was tripping. That bitch ragged as a bitch.
What are you clapping for? The summer club, yeah. Make my shit clean, bitch ass nigga. Oh yeah, they do it big. They got goddamn tornado in this bitch. Yeah, they got 2 blowers. They gonna make sure this bitch clean, you heard?
How you can jump out and record the front of this bitch?
I got to. What that supposed to be? Microfiber? Oh yeah, they do it big over here. Man, I never seen that at the end. They make sure that bitch clean for real. Why they only hit the fucking hood? You supposed to hit the whole car. That bitch with
Man, that shit still dirty, man. You don't see all that dirt, man?
Oh no, man, we need a refund.
Man, get my motherfucking weed money back.
Give my weed money, man.
They lost their marbles.
Oh, look at him. We over there with the 22s.
Oh, he said he's 18s, not 22s, but I keep them clean.
Keep it clean.
Looking at it. That's the old.
Man, I know that dude in that 4Runner, man.
Probably the same nigga that just was at the front. Probably so.
I knew he looked familiar. Hey, we use this bit right here too, huh? Pull it right here.
Bougie ass nigga got a vacuum cleaner in their own house. But they don't know how to work.
Hey, that bitch. Oh! Oh, he's jamming over there.
Damn, man, nigga phone dead.
Phone died. Russia, man. Cat clean, man. Look at the wheels on that thing. Oh, he on that spitter.
That nigga said, let me eat.
Let me eat. Thing with a thing on top. Look clean, what shit? You made me want to start coming to business.
Fuck, man, they fucked your paint up.
Shit.
This is some quick shit when you're lazy.
When you're lazy, man.
Yeah, real talk. Don't do this all the time.
Only a couple times. He thugging over that door.
He ain't got no slap in the trunk.
No slap. He ain't got no teeth. Oh, look. Check them out. They got a chip. Little chip. Yeah, vending machine. Coca-Cola.
He trying to say vending machine.
Rug center, whatever that shit mean.
Whatever that shit mean.
Y'all come get y'all car washed by business, you hear me? They get you right.
Hey, say fuck what's up.
Fuck what's up.
Oh, my dumb ass can put the window down.
Oh, Lord, you flash that. Look at the fucking window now.
Some fucking rookie shit.
Damn. I really tell you. Cold start, dude. Ka-chow. Oh, there go that bitch ass light. There it is.
That's on to your head, thing.
Yeah. Damn. You act like you didn't want to open the door. saying? Man, that car too fucking loud.